Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write captions using Magic Write in Canva. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com, and please make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. After logging in, you will see options at your left corner. Within it, tap the create icon where you can see different templates. Create one of the social media and the templates. Now it will redirect you to a new page. From the menu, select text or docs, whichever is present. This opens a blank page where you can write or generate your caption. Here you will see a Magic Write option. Tap on it. Now make sure to type a prompt. After that, click Generate. Canva will instantly create caption ideas for you. You can just shorten or expand the caption, or you can generate more caption options if needed. If it shows many captions, you can choose any and copy them directly, or if it only shows one, you can just tap on enter and it will successfully enter in your blank page. And that's how you can write caption using Magic Write in Canva. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.